This is ANN News Brief.
Good afternoon. I am Lucy Adeyemi. The United Nations Security Council has extended for a further 12-month sanctions against individuals in Mali who violate a peace agreement which was signed in 2015 by the government and Tuareg armed groups. The Security Council imposed travel bans in September 2017 and froze assets of designated individuals and entities, said to be frustrating progress in implementing the Mali Peace and Reconciliation Agreement. Mali is battling insecurity, largely caused by jihadist groups in Africa's Sahel. These sanctioned individuals are allegedly involved in kidnapping, human trafficking, weapons and drug smuggling, which have financed the jihadist expansion. Health officials say a 9-year-old girl diagnosed with Ebola in Uganda has died, weeks after authorities said they had found a 90% Ebola survival drug. The Congolese girl was found to have had a fever and was immediately put into isolation at an Ebola unit in the western town of Kasese and later confirmed to have Ebola. Uganda health officials said they are currently working with their counterparts in DR Congo to make arrangements for the girl's body to be taken back home for burial. The World Health Organization (WHO) says 300 vaccine doses have been dispatched to Bwera Hospital near the Congolese border. In June, there were 2 Ebola deaths in Uganda. Uganda has maintained screening centers along its border with DR Congo in an effort to stop the spread of the virus. Meanwhile, government data showed on Friday the death toll from DR Congo's Ebola outbreak has climbed above 2,000 as responders battle to overcome community mistrust and widespread security problems. The government's team overseeing the response said the number of confirmed and probable cases had also hit a milestone of more than 3,000 in what has become the second worst epidemic of the virus on record since August last year. Stay with us, we'll return after this message.
We are on the road every day, canvassing throughout Africa for news you really need. We follow this story everywhere, from every corner of Nigeria to the wide African expanse. We bring you what's making headlines. We connect you with news you can use. ANN, African News Network, in a truly African spirit.
Ugandan Airlines has taken to the skies again after almost 2 decades out of action. It is starting with aviation market in Africa. The state carrier launched commercial flight on Wednesday, its first since it was liquidated in 2001, aiming to take a slice of the East African aviation business that is dominated by Ethiopian Airlines. Uganda is the latest African government to pour money into national flag carriers. Tanzania and Senegal are also resurrecting their airlines, while the likes of Rwanda, Ivory Coast and Togo are expanding theirs. That's CNN News Brief. Join us again at 5:30 for our full newscast. For details on these and other breaking stories, visit our website, nnafrica.news. Conversation continues on our social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram and Facebook, at ANN Africa TV. I'm Lucy Adeyemi.